My name is Megan Martinson, and I am the registered dietitian in the Child Nutrition Department. And in the Child Nutrition Department, we have been working hard to modify our policies, food preparation, serving areas, and menus to help keep students safe. All staff will be wearing face masks, and students and staff will practice social distancing when going through the line. We have our sneeze guards down to protect your students and their food, and our staff will be preparing those trays for them and handing them the finished tray at the end. And we've also installed cashier shields at our registers. We do have some menu changes to help protect your students. Breakfast will be grab and go to help with social distancing during the breakfast time. Our salad bars are closed down until further notice. However, we still have our individually packaged chef salads if you're craving a salad. And we will continue with our prepackaged and pre-portioned condiments and also prepackaged and sealed plasticware. One change that we're making is we are moving toward more of a cashless system. We are requesting that parents deposit money electronically into their students' accounts through the My School Bucks website or app. If that's not something that your family is able to do, then you can still bring cash or check to the registers at the schools. However, one change we want you to be aware of is that when you deposit cash into your child's account or your student deposits cash into their account, we are requesting that that stays in the account instead of us giving change back so that we can reduce the contact. For more information or more specific questions you might have, please contact your campus.